Sources to NewsNation, Karmelo Anthony will not get a new trial, leaving his murder conviction in place in the death of Austin Metcalf. Anthony will continue to serve his 35-year sentence. His bid for a new trial was focused on what happened before the trial took place, as well as an informal agreement between prosecutors and the defense over what evidence would be presented. Criminal and civil attorney Mark Reichel joins us now to help us walk through all of this. Mark, we're just getting this information into the newsroom, so I know that you've had an opportunity to review this and you're more familiar. Exactly what does this mean for us? Does this officially end the case, Mark, or is there more to learn?
No. So when somebody's sentenced to a sentence like that, which was 35 years, and almost a life sentence, there'll be plenty of time to relitigate this exact matter. Right away, they brought it up and said, new lawyers said, hey, there was this gentleman's agreement, much to our client's detriment. Shouldn't have happened, it was bad practice on their part. So they wanted to get in there right away and get a new trial. Look, it's been denied. He's going to go up on appeal. But while that's pending, they can continue to gather evidence, do some research, investigate, get more evidence about this gentleman's agreement, kind of look at the record, determine how it really prejudiced him, refile a motion. You can file a new trial motion on new evidence just about any time. So this is not the end of this case, not at all.
Mark, and I guess that's the question. Those of us who have been watching it from the outside, I have to believe that people at home were like, what new information can be gleaned here? That it would seem that the defense and the prosecution both laid out everything that they had. What were the grounds that Karmelo was arguing?
Well, before the trial started, they said, look, if Karmelo takes a stand, we've got some stuff which is going to embarrass him. We're going to try to impeach him and say, oh, yeah, you're such a great guy. Well, what about these things you did just before the crime happened? It's going to, inflame tensions because we're really polarized in this case. At the same time, they said to the defense, we know you have evidence about the victims here, those, the victims and the bad stuff they've done beforehand. If we can both sides agree to keep this out, we can just talk about what happened that day. And they both thought that was the logical thing to do. It'd be better for the jury, it'd be better for the public, it'd be better for the trial, and it wouldn't influence the judge or even the jury and so forth and so on. So they cut that gentleman's agreement. I got to be honest with you, similar stuff like that happens, but if it's really that extensive of this gentleman's agreement and it wasn't litigated beforehand, like by pretrial motions, it's a little strange.
Mark, help me here with this here. Anthony's team dropped plans for him to testify in this trial. Do you think that hurt him? Is that something that they regret now?
It's tough. Most defense attorneys, we don't put our client on the stand. And that's because it's going to come down whether the jury likes you or not. You can be doing a great job in your trial where you're attacking. You put your client on and it's over. If they don't like him, everything good you've done goes away. So that's the problem.
Mark Reichel, I want to thank you again for jumping in here with this breaking news and walking us through that. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Take care now.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.